Good morning, and welcome to Journey Fishing. It's 5:30 in the morning on the 28th of December, and me and my little glamorous assistant Pier is going fishing. And today we're off to Whitby. We're going to fish West Pier. We're going to try fish some piggies. So yeah, we're going to fish 3 rods today. Fish 3 rods today, and we're hopefully going to smash it. We've just hit 500 subscribers this morning, so thank you very much for everyone who's subscribed, liked, left comments. So what we're going to do is, for the next 100 subscribers, so everyone that subscribes from 500 to 600, I'm going to have a little giveaway, little mini competition. Basically, you win like 50 quid's worth of either Sakuma, hooks, or sort along them lines, but so I'll sort that out later on. So yeah, tight lines, and I'll see you when we get Whitby. See you when?
Now.
Right. Been driving about 40 minutes. We did have a stop in the garage, get a coffee. Just coming into Whitby now. There's the old, like, what's it called, the Endeavour or something like that. All these pubs and marinas and that. So yeah, just getting here. Here's the bridge. So if you're going to fish Whitby East, you go right over this bridge. You can park just round that side. And walk all the way along just under the Abbey, and that's how you get Whitby East. But now we're going Whitby West, so we're going this way. So just have a little look round here. Some nice little pubs around here and that. Little boat trips and stuff. It's alright Whitby, especially in the golf weekend. I know my mate Daz missed it this year, but yeah, hopefully we'll go to the next one. Can I get past? I will get past. Never been defeated. A nice cup of tea from there. All the arcades here for the kids. Magpie Cafe. Good chippy that. Fish and chips. Expensive, but lovely. We're just coming up to Whitby West Pier, which is just up there. Just up there. So we are parking just here as soon as we get a space. We're in. Just walk straight in a little bit. Don't hit that car behind us. Found the curb. Right. So that's us. We're going to get uploaded, and we'll see you when we get there in a bit. Bit of a little disaster there. Parks up at the end of that last video. Snap, upgrade cable. So instead of parking at the bottom, where it's not flat at all, it's on a hill. But walk up, drove all the way to the top, parked somewhere flat, and I've got to walk all the way down the steps. Nightmare. So what I do is to do, there's the Abbey. Yeah. All the shops and that. Here. Over there. Green light is your east. Red light. Yeah. more thing to do with the van. Got to sort the suspension out because they had a spring snap on it. I'm going to upgrade the suspension.
It's going to take some time.
And then I've got a spring on. So I start to work out. Tell you what, it's just going to go to the garage. Can't be bothered with it. Send it to the garage, get it fixed. So yeah, it's about now. It is about 6:20. So we're coming here. We've already passed people going onto the pier fishing. So yeah. Don't mind the walk down. Get there in a bit. Fishing. Carp, mussel on one, squid, mussel on the other, and on the face rod, just got a tip flat there. Mussel on one, black rod on the other. So yeah, so 7:30 now. The sun is just about rising behind the abbey. People fishing on the end. You can see there's a couple of people fishing on East Pier, a couple at that end. Yeah, bring you back in a bit. Right, so it's 8 o'clock, just hitting high tide now. This is Whitby. Sunrise over there, behind the hills. Got my 3 rods out. Not a bite yet. Strange for Whitby, but it happens. A couple of fishermen on the end there. Over there in the distance, Sand's End. Fished there a few times, that's quite a nice mark, especially off the cliffs, off them cliffs up there. There's the top of the hotels, that's where we've had to park, up there. So we've got that's our walk back. Oh, don't forget my glamorous assistant, give us a wave, Faye. She's loving it. Yeah, he loves it. Freezing. So yeah, I'll bring you back if we catch out in a bit. Right. I'll have a few bites on this little rod. So let it develop a bit. This up there. Definitely feels coddy. What we got? Yeah, it does feel quite heavy actually. No colour yet. Coming up though. I'll have them back to the other rod as well now. Oh, it's a nice little piglet. Can you see that? And we're in. Little cod. little piggy, cod number 1 for Whitby, smashed on the Eston baits fishing. Carp and squid. Let's have it. So I'm going to get this unhooked. Yeah, I'm going to get this unhooked. And then we'll see what's... I'll get the scales out and I'll wait. Nice little pig that. Whew. Nice little fight. Can't see a thing. Let's have a look in the mouth. Deeply hooked like.
Is this my rod?
No.
Okay. Jesus Christ.
Can't even see the hook. Hook. There's a fish, and that is 40. Let's go 45 on that one. So right, little scales out, little pouch with scales in. Hopefully these are still charging. £12. Are you having it? £2.3. Let's have it. Right, I'm going to dispatch this off camera and rig another one up, and then we'll get out of there. Oh, look what the fish has just done to me. Pooped on my arm. I'll have to get a rag out. So yeah, bring you back when we get another one in a bit. Right, we're back. Just had a bite on the middle rod and on the left hand rod. So I'm going to see which one's which one goes next. The left hand rod's 2-hook flapper, one of Brett Ramsey's from Pier rigs and weights. Massive thanks for him for these rigs, do the job. I think these have got 1 hose or 2 hose on, can't remember, with mussel and a bit of coral on each. So fingers crossed that develops into a fish. And then my bait I get from Eston Fishing Baits, both Dazers. Yeah. Massive thank you. They've gone now. See, it's getting late now. So someone else has come fishing over to the side there. They've not caught out yet. The people fishing on East Pier, they've gone now. The sun's coming up over there. There's Whitby Abbey, I'll zoom in. Someone running, going past. Zoom back out again. And he's on the end. They've literally had, I think they said they've had 1 rockland. So yeah, the tide's starting to go back out now. We're about half an hour after high tide. As you can see, the current's going out that way now. No waves at all. This has got to be the calm before the storm, because it's supposed to get really rough later on today. This is why I come fishing early this morning. So Oh yeah. There's my little codlin I had earlier. 2.3, 4 pounds, something like that. That's going home. We'll give that a sham, lad who I work with. He loves a bit of cod. Right, I'll bring her back in a bit. That middle rod's going again. Down the side so you can see. Two bites, middle rod, and left rod. Missed them both. Fingers crossed to come back. That one. I'll be back in a bit. It's another little pattern. Coming over here. codling, look. And that's going to be 26. Needs to be 35. No good, Mr. Codlin. Little Mr. Codlin. Back you go. And it's gone. Yep, off it's gone. We've got one decent sized codlin, £2.5, one tiny codlin, only about £0.5. What the fish looks like? I know, a tiny little codlin. Tiny little codlin, look at that. Greedy little codlin. Teeny tiny little codlin.
Yeah,
Baby codlin. Yeah, yeah. Nice a baby, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nicely hooked though, just in the bottom of the mouth.
Yeah,
bottom
it's
of
not
it.
worse because right down the front.
Yeah. Right, off you go. And it's gone. So's me bait. Rebait, get it back
I know,
out.
you want a big one.
Tell your granddad. Right, bring you back in a bit. Right, it's 11 o'clock now. We've had 4 little codlin, 1 keeper, with a few bites. I'm having a bite now on that rod. I've packed one of the rods away. It's weather's starting to turn. Getting a bit cold now. It's starting to rain, a bit windy. So while we're in Whitby, we're going to go get some fish and chips. Because I promised our little fair she can have some fish and chips from Whitby. For being such a good camera woman. Right, again, a massive thanks to Eston Fishing Baits for supplying our bait. Trident tackle, thanks again. All your rigs are, all your permanent tackles, amazing. Cox and roll, that's what hooks we use there, mint as well. Thanks for that. Brett Ramsey, thanks again for your rigs. And I think that's about it. So yeah, oh, thanks for Rig Shark, tiplets are amazing. So yeah, we're going to get packed up now, we're going to get going. We hit 500 subscribers this morning. By the time I've done this video, I'd like to hopefully see some more. And then when I've edited the video, oh yeah, I've got to say, we're going to do a competition now. Till we get from 500 to 600 subscribers, I'm going to put 50 quid's worth of either Eston Fishing Baits or Trident Tackle or Sakuma. It's up to you. The choice of them 3, but it's £50 worth. So like and subscribe, hit that bell to get all the notifications of every video that we upload. And just thanks for subscribing. Just thanks very much. Right, thanks very much. In a bit.